Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a copy of a shared folder in Google Drive. First, open your Google Drive account in a web browser and make sure you are logged in with the correct account. On the left side you will see different options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and Others. Click on Shared with Me. Here you will see all the files and folders that other people have shared with you. Find the folder that you want to copy. You cannot right-click and select Make a Copy on a folder itself. Instead, you need to open the folder first. Double-click on it to open, and then press Ctrl+A on your keyboard if you are on Windows, or Command+A if you are on Mac. This will select all the files inside the folder. After that, right-click on any of the selected files and choose Make a Copy. Google Drive will create copies of all the selected files. You will see them appear in the same location with the words copy of in their names. Next, you need to move these copies into your own folder. Create a new folder in your drive by clicking the +New button on the left, then choose Folder and give it a name. After the folder is created, go back to the copies that were just made. Select all of them again, right-click, choose Move To, and then select the new folder you just created. Now you have your own folder with copies of everything from the shared folder. Thanks for watching.